Hi friends, this video shows how to delete files from this Samsung portable SSD T7 Shield using Google TV streamer 4K device. Here you can see I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV streamer 4K device using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this Samsung SSD. This is a setup. Go to TV, then go to all settings, then go to system, go to storage, and here you can see Samsung T7 SSD storage under this removable storage. So that means this device is mounted properly. Then go to home screen, select apps tab, go down, select this explore app. We can install this explore file manager app from App Store. Let me open this app. Then here on the left side, here you can see no name 1 TB storage, that is this Samsung SSD. Select it. I am going to delete one file from this SSD. Go down, and here you can see two images in this SSD storage. I am going to delete one. Select this image, press and hold OK button on the remote, then select delete, then select OK. Done. Deleted. If you are not able to delete this, then you have to set one permission. Go to all settings, go to apps, then select see all apps, go down, select explore app, go down, go to permissions, set files. Here we need to allow. Okay, so this way we can delete file. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.